say more English.
Good afternoon. What can I get for you today?
Hi. I'd like a bacon cheeseburger, please.
Sure. Do you want to make it a combo?
What does the combo come with?
For an extra 99 cents, you get a large fry and a large drink.
That sounds like a good deal. I'll take the combo.
Great. What would you like to drink?
Can I get a large cola with no ice?
Regular or diet?
Regular, please.
Perfect. Any changes to the burger?
Yes. Can I get it without pickles?
No pickles. Anything else?
And can you add extra cheese?
Extra cheese is 50 cents. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Got it. Do you want onions?
Yes, onions are okay.
And for the sauce, ketchup only or ketchup and mustard?
Ketchup only, please. No mustard.
Would you like to add a dessert today, like ice cream or apple pie?
No, thanks. I'll just stick with the combo.
No problem. Do you want extra ketchup packets?
Yes, please.
How about 3 packets?
That'll be fine. Thanks.
Are you eating here or taking it to go?
For here, please.
Great. Your total is $6.04.
Here you go.
Thanks. Out of 10, here's your change, $3.96.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We'll call your number when it's ready. Your number is 27.
About how long will it take?
Around 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay, sounds good.
Enjoy your meal.
Hi. Do you serve breakfast right now? Or is it too late?
We serve breakfast all day. What would you like?
Great. Can I get the sausage egg muffin meal?
Sure. That meal comes with hash browns and a drink.
Can I swap the hash browns for apple slices?
Yes, that's fine.
And for the drink, can I get hot coffee instead of a soda?
Yes. A small coffee is included. Do you want to upgrade to a large?
How much extra is the large?
50 cents more.
Okay, I'll take a large coffee.
Sounds good. How do you take it, cream and sugar?
2 creams and 1 sugar, please.
Got it. Any changes to the sandwich?
Yes. Can I get it without cheese?
No cheese. Anything else?
I have a coupon on my phone. Can I use it?
Sure. Go ahead and show me.
Here it is. It says $1 off any breakfast meal.
Perfect. I'll apply that for you.
Thanks. Also, does the muffin have any peanuts or nuts?
It doesn't, but we can't guarantee a nut-free kitchen.
That's okay. I just wanted to check.
No problem. So that's 1 sausage egg muffin meal, apple slices instead of hash browns, a large hot coffee with 2 creams and 1 sugar, and no cheese.
Yes, that's right.
Are you having it to go, or eating here?
For here, please.
All right. Your total is $6.79 after the coupon.
Here you go.
Out of 10, here's $3.21 back.
Thanks. Where do I grab my order?
We'll call your number at the counter. Your number is 31.
Okay. Could I get a cup sleeve? The coffee is really hot.
Of course. Here you go.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Hi. Can I get a 10-piece chicken nuggets meal, please?
Sure. That meal comes with fries and a drink. Medium is standard, and you can upgrade to large for a small extra charge.
Medium is fine. What drinks do you have?
Cola, Diet Cola, lemonade, iced tea, and water.
I'll take a lemonade with no ice.
No problem. What dipping sauces would you like?
What sauces do you have?
Barbecue, sweet and sour, ranch, and honey mustard.
Can I get 2 barbecue and 1 ranch?
Absolutely, 2 barbecue and 1 ranch.
Can I get the fries extra crispy?
We can cook them a little longer. Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfect.
Anything else for you today, like an apple pie or a cookie?
Not today, thanks.
All right. Taking this to go or eating here?
To go, please.
Okay. Your total is $8.29.
I'll pay by credit card.
Sure. Please insert or tap your card when you're ready.
Okay, it's done.
Great. You're all set. Your order number is 42.
Thanks. What's the best place to wait?
You can wait near the pickup area. We'll call your number when it's ready.
Okay, thanks.
No problem. Enjoy your meal.
Hi. I'd like 1 chicken sandwich and 1 fish sandwich, please.
No problem. Just the sandwiches, not a meal, right?
Right. No combo.
Got it. Any changes to the chicken sandwich?
Yes. Can I get it without mayo?
Sure, no mayo.
And can I get extra lettuce on that one?
Absolutely. Extra lettuce. Anything else for the chicken sandwich?
That's all for the chicken sandwich.
Great. How about the fish sandwich?
Can I get tartar sauce on the side?
Yes, tartar sauce on the side. Do you want pickles on it?
No pickles, please.
Got it. No pickles.
Can I also get a lemon wedge if you have one?
Yes, we have lemon. I'll add a wedge.
Thank you.
Any sides or drinks today?
No, just the 2 sandwiches.
Okay. Is this dine-in or takeout?
To go, please.
Perfect. Let me make sure I got it right. 1 chicken sandwich with no mayo and extra lettuce, and 1 fish sandwich with no pickles, tartar sauce on the side, and a lemon wedge.
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Your total is $8.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. We'll call it out when it's ready. Your order number is 16.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.